there, little brainiacs. Welcome to Cool Creative Mingle. Today's story topic is the Watermelons Festival.
Once upon a time, in the vibrant and harmonious Garden of Fresh, a unique annual event was about to unfold. It was the Watermelons Festival, a grand summer affair that brought together fruits and vegetables from all corners of the garden. The festival was masterminded by a wise and benevolent watermelon named Walter. Known for his jovial spirit and generous nature, Walter organized the festival every year to celebrate the unity and diversity of the garden's inhabitants. Walter's closest friends, Cathy the Carrot, Berty the Banana, and Tammy the Tomato, were his trusted advisors and helped orchestrate the festival's festivities. Each of them had a distinct personality, contributing to the event's unique charm. Cathy, with her crunchy wit and vibrant energy, was in charge of sports and games. Bertie's keen sense of aesthetics and sunny disposition made him the perfect overseer of the festival's decorations. Meanwhile, Tammy's naturally sweet nature and knack for harmonizing differences made her an excellent mediator among all participants. This year's festival promised to be more exciting than ever. As the sun rose over the garden, illuminating the dew on the leaves, the aroma of fresh fruits and vegetables mingled in the air. The garden was abuzz with excitement as Cathy kicked off the events with Veggie Olympics. From rolling races for radishes to sprints for scallions, laughter and cheers echoed across the grounds. Cathy herself participated, her long leafy hair trailing behind like a cape as she cheered everyone on with infectious enthusiasm. Bertie had turned the heart of the garden into a mesmerizing spectacle. Strings of fairy lights twinkled amidst fluttering banners made from corn husks, while colorful flower petals lined the pathways. Every fruit and vegetable was adorned with festive attire, with squash wearing sun hats and cherries twirling in gauzy skirts. In a corner, Tammy was leading a workshop where veggies and fruits could discuss their garden roles. Thanks to Tammy's facilitation, the peppers and the peas, who had a long-standing rivalry, found common ground, bringing a sense of peace and camaraderie. As the day progressed, Walter called everyone together for the highlight, the parade of produce. Participants paraded through the garden, proudly showcasing their natural beauty and talents. Dancing blueberries, singing strawberries, and juggling cucumbers made the parade a magnificent spectacle of camaraderie and joy. The day wound down with a banquet under the stars. A feast composed of delectable fruit salads, savory vegetable platters, and refreshing herbal drinks awaited everyone. As laughter and stories were shared, Walter took a moment to reflect on the festival's essence. It was not just a gathering but a celebration of community, diversity, and the joy of togetherness. With bellies full and hearts happier, the fruits and veggies bid each other good night, eager for next year's celebrations. Walter, with a content smile, looked around at his festive friends. He knew that the Garden of Fresh would always thrive as long as there was unity and friendship. And so, under the starlit sky, the Watermelons Festival concluded, leaving a trail of memories that would last until they met again.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to stay updated on all my latest videos. Thanks for being part of our community.